Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to identify chaga mushroom. Chaga is a fascinating fungus, often called the king of herbs, that grows primarily on birch trees in colder regions. It has a very distinct appearance, which is crucial to recognize for safe and accurate foraging. We will cover its habitat, visual characteristics, and how to distinguish it from common lookalikes, ensuring you can confidently spot this valuable natural resource. Chaga predominantly grows on living birch trees, especially in cold, northern regions such as Canada, Russia, and parts of northern Europe and the United States. It's a parasitic fungus that infects the tree through wounds, slowly developing over many years. You'll typically find it on mature birch trees, often clinging to the trunk or branches, sometimes at heights of 2 to 10 meters. It's easier to spot in winter against the snow. The most striking feature of chaga is its exterior, which resembles burnt charcoal with a rough, deeply cracked, and irregular surface. It can range in size from a small walnut to a basketball, often protruding like a cone from the tree. When you cut into it, the interior is a vibrant golden yellow or orange, with a cork-like, fibrous texture. This two-toned appearance is a key indicator, as the inside is never the same color as the tree bark. It's important to differentiate chaga from common lookalikes like tree burls, which are rounded out growths of the tree itself, usually the same color as the bark. Birch polypore is another fungus that can appear black, but it is soft and spongy, unlike chaga's hard, woody texture. Black knot fungus, while black and gnarled, typically grows on fruit trees. Always remember, true chaga will have that unmistakable golden yellow or orange interior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.